Hello, everybody. Give me 1 second while I mute this while we're recording. Okay. So, hello, everyone. My name is Jonathan Nichols, and today I'm going to show you how to mirror your phone screen to your computer, and this is using an app called Scrcpy or ScreenCopy for short. So I'm going to show you in a little bit how you can connect this to your PC with the stuff, but first what I'm going to do is I'm going to do what we need to do in order to connect this. So give me 1 second, and we should be good. Okay, USB debug. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to launch this app called Scrcpy or ScreenCopy, and basically this is all you're going to need. You're not going to need anything else other than this app. So I'm going to double click on it. It should find my phone. It's going to pop up. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to restart this because it threw the error that it didn't find it. So let's try this again. Okay, so I don't think it's going to let me with this phone, but I know it let me with my other phone, my LG Stylo 5, so we're going to try that one instead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my LG Stylo 5 plugged in. It should already be on, as far as I know. Yep, and we're going to try it with this one, and it should automatically connect. Yep, there we go. So that's how you do it. You just do that, and I'm actually going to show you what to do in order to actually get this to work, because if you don't do this, it's not going to work. We're going to go into settings. So I'm going to go into my settings here, and we're going to go down to system, and if you don't have it enabled already, you're going to go to about phone. You're going to go to hardware info, and then you're going to type the model number about 5 to 7 times. Maybe not the model number. Build number. You're going to tap it about 5 to 7 times, and it's set. And once you tap it 5 to 7 times, it's going to say you're already a developer. Or it's going to say, congratulations, you're now a developer. So once you do that, you're going to go back in this menu. Should pop up saying developer options. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go into that, scroll down until you see USB debugging, and you're going to turn that on. It will not work unless you turn on USB debugging. So as you can see, it's already on. I'm not going to turn it off because it might disconnect my phone. And that's basically it. Once you have USB debugging on, you're going to go and you're gonna click, you're gonna go to your files here to the wherever the scrcpy download file is. You're gonna unzip it once you download it, and then what you're gonna do is go into here, and then to start it, you're gonna double click scrcpy, and it should bring it up. And that's basically it. I'm also gonna tag, because I think I found this video on somebody else's channel on YouTube, so I'll see if I can go to that to show you. I'm not gonna play it because I don't wanna interfere with anything on the outside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to history, and right here, Chris Titus Tech. That's where I got this thing off.
Advanced, and then go to developer options. From developer options, obviously they're on now that we've done that. Scroll down to USB debugging. This is also known as ADB debugging in older versions.
Yep, so he has the link to the GitHub project for the download. Again, it's right here, github.com/JennyMobile/scrcpy. It'll bring you to this website. And then what you're going to do is you are going to go to, and I think the only way to see this would be to enable the desktop site. You're going to go click on releases, and depending on your operating system, you're going to download either the 32-bit zip file or the 64-bit zip file. I don't know what the first one is, so you're gonna want to use the zip files. And then there's the source code for both Windows and Linux, and the checksums in case you want to verify the links. So, like they said, it's only version 1.16 at the moment. So, just in case they come out with another one, I'm going to see right here. Watch. It's going to have me sign into GitHub. So I'm going to sign in with my, apparently, so just for this, so I could create an account real quick, I'm going to minimize that, and we'll be back in a second with the rest of the video. Okay, so we're back, and I have successfully signed up with my new account here, so we're going to go back over to releases, and then we're gonna go over to watch, and they say, watch out, they say releases only, but yeah, I'm gonna agree with them and do releases only. and they're gonna let me know when a new release of this is out. So gonna go to my profile and see if I can edit any of it. Yeah, not very much to edit. I can at least change my profile image. As you can see, this works perfectly well. You know, being able to so I think I'm going to use this picture. I like this picture. Okay. So it's going to ask me to crop my profile picture. Let's see here. So I can move it around. I just don't know why it's not letting me. It's letting me move the screen around. So I'm just going to go with what it has right now. I don't really care. So I kind of like how this works. This is cool. So I'm going to keep my email address private for now. So the only thing that's going to be show on my profile is just my name, and yeah, so okay, so let's see how all this stuff works. My gosh, I actually like how I didn't think it could do this when I first downloaded and used the program last night, because I downloaded this program last night and I didn't think this would actually work like this, how it is. So I'm gonna see something. I'm gonna go ahead and clear all my notifications that I don't need. Gonna go here. Let's see if I can launch YouTube. So it's gonna bring me back to the video I was watching before. Again, like I said, I'm not gonna play a video, but I can at least see how. Oh my gosh, this is very cool. By the way, this is my other channel I have. It's called CWK Enterprises. It's basically my local community channel. I upload logo histories and some of the logos I make. Yeah. My 1-year anniversary is coming up, so on October 1st I'm doing a little documentary. These are feature channels that I put on my features tab. I'm also subscribed to a whole bunch of people, including some of the people where I got like this software ideas and stuff from. Tech Quickie. Let's see here. Yeah. So that's just a quick tutorial on Scrcpy, or also known as ScreenCopy. Like this video if you liked it. If you want to see more tech related videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until next time, I will see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.